When it comes to making a lasting first impression, your home's exterior plays a crucial role. One of the most impactful yet often overlooked elements that can elevate your home's curb appeal is the front door. In Mesa, where the sun shines brightly and the community takes pride in their homes, installing a new door can dramatically enhance both the look and value of your property. Here's why door installation in Mesa is a smart investment and how it can transform your home's curb appeal. The front door. The face of your home. Your front door is more than just an entryway. It's the focal point of your home's exterior. Visitors and passers-by naturally gravitate towards it, making it the first thing people notice. A well-chosen, beautifully installed door can convey warmth, style, and personality. Whether you prefer a classic wooden door, a sleek modern design, or a decorative glass panel, the right door sets the tone for the entire house. Boosting curb appeal with style and color. One of the simplest ways to boost curb appeal is by updating the style or color of your door. In Mesa, where homes often feature Southwestern or contemporary architectural styles, your door can complement or enhance these looks perfectly. Bright, bold colors like deep reds, blues, or even rich greens can create an inviting contrast to neutral-colored exteriors, while natural wood finishes add timeless elegance. A new door with stylish hardware, such as modern handles, knockers, or decorative glass inserts, adds character and charm. This small detail catches the eye and shows attention to design, instantly increasing your home's visual appeal. Improved security adds value and peace of mind. While curb appeal is often associated with looks, door installation in Mesa offers practical benefits that homeowners appreciate. Modern doors are designed with advanced security features that keep your home safe. Reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant materials not only protect your family but also give potential buyers confidence if you ever decide to sell. Knowing that your door is both beautiful and secure adds to your peace of mind, making your home a more attractive place to live. Energy efficiency. Save money and enhance comfort. Mesa's climate can get quite hot, so having an energy-efficient door is essential. Many new doors come with superior insulation properties, reducing heat transfer and helping maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This means your air conditioning system doesn't have to work as hard, saving you money on energy bills. Energy-efficient doors also prevent drafts and reduce noise pollution, making your home more pleasant for you and your guests. Plus, the improved energy efficiency adds value to your home, something future buyers will definitely notice. Customized solutions for every home. One of the best parts about door installation in Mesa is the availability of custom options. Whether your home has unique architectural features or you want a door that stands out from the neighborhood, professionals can help you design a door that fits perfectly. From custom glass designs that allow natural light to stream into your entryway, to doors with built-in pet doors or smart locks, the possibilities are endless. This level of customization ensures that your new door not only looks amazing but also suits your lifestyle perfectly. Increase home value with a fresh look. A fresh door installation is a cost-effective way to increase your home's market value. Real estate experts agree that first impressions matter significantly when selling a home, and a well-maintained or newly installed door can add thousands to your asking price. Potential buyers often look for homes that feel cared for and updated, and a stylish, secure front door signals that your home is move-in ready. Local expertise ensures quality installation. When you choose local Mesa professionals for your door installation, you benefit from their knowledge of the climate, architectural styles, and building codes. They can recommend materials and designs that hold up well under the intense Arizona sun and occasional storms, ensuring your door stays beautiful and functional for years to come. Professional installation also guarantees that the door fits perfectly, operates smoothly, and provides maximum security and energy efficiency, saving you headaches and extra costs down the line. Conclusion: a doorway to better curb appeal. Investing in door installation in Mesa isn't just about replacing an old door, it's about transforming the very first impression your home makes. From enhancing style and curb appeal to improving security and energy efficiency, a new door brings both beauty and function. Whether you're preparing to sell or just want to enjoy a more welcoming and stylish home, a professionally installed door can make all the difference. With so many customizable options and expert installers in Mesa, there's no better time to open the door to a more attractive and valuable home.